Take a stand and stop cyberbullying. It's up to us. What is cyberbullying? That's a great question. Cyberbullying is any type of bullying that takes place using electronic technology. Bullying isn't new, but the techniques they use are. Cyberbullying could be posting mean comments online, spreading online rumors, posting sexual remarks, profile hacking, photo sharing without consent, or a whole host of other things. It's important to remember that you're not alone. Cyberbullying happens to many of us. 7 in 10 young people experience cyberbullying before they hit the age of 18. 37% of young children between the ages of 12 and 17 experience cyberbullying at least once, and 41% of girls report experiencing some form of online harassment. Cyberbullying can lead to bad grades, skipping school, depression or poor mental health, becoming a bully yourself, or sadly suicide or suicide attempts. So stand up and speak out against cyberbullying. Don't be a bystander. You can help stand up to bullying by reporting it to your school, collecting evidence, reporting bullying to the site, app, or game you use, talking to a trusted adult, demonstrating care to others and working together, telling them to stop. Don't encourage the bullying of others. Stay safe, and remember, don't give up. It gets better. Resist the urge to bully back. A single person can be a victim, a bystander, and a bully all in separate moments. Don't contribute to the problem. So let's take a stand and end cyberbullying together. Stand up and speak out. For more information about how to end cyberbullying, you can use any of these resources.